Hi everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stabilize your videos using the Capcut editing app. If you've recorded a video with your phone and it's a bit shaky, just follow this simple tutorial to smooth it out. Before we get started, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this in the future. It really helps out the channel. The first step is to make sure you have the latest version of Capcut installed. Once your app is up to date, open it and import the video you want to stabilize. I have a video here on my timeline, and as you can see, it's a bit shaky. To fix this, select the video and scroll down until you find the Stabilize option. Then click on it. A slider will appear where you can choose the stabilizing intensity. You can select from Most Stable, Recommended, and Minimal Cropping. Remember, Capcut, like all video editing programs, needs to crop or zoom in on the video slightly to stabilize it. Choosing the most stable option will give you the best stabilization but will crop the video more, while minimal cropping will crop less but may not stabilize as much. I recommend selecting the recommended option for a good balance between stability and cropping. After that, just wait a few seconds or minutes for Capcut to process the stabilization. Once the app has finished stabilizing your video, check the results. If you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and export your video and save it to your photo gallery. And that's it. That's how you can stabilize your shaky videos in the Capcut editing app. If this video was helpful, please leave a comment below and like this video. It really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.